this is what we're talking about. Horrible, stinky, stain cloth seats. It needs leather for sure. Welcome to our channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. And now we are showing you guys what it can go into a 2016 to a 2023 Toyota Double Cab or the Access Cab. They're different vehicles, so it's just a demonstration of the kit, what is included, and what do you guys should expect about the kit. In this particular case, guys, we are showing a black grab with a mahogany insert. These inserts are going to be in the body only. So let's say you want the headrest, that's called the combo, and it will go all the way to the headrest, the mahogany color. We have different colors and combinations, 60 different colors, endless combination, guys, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom stitching, patterns, diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex. We have honeycombs, and we have exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology, guys. And let me show you, this is built for our system right here, degrees. It means it will have cooling and heating features, because a lot of people complain, you know, they don't want to be hot in the summer, they want their seats to be cold, and they don't want to be cold in the winter, they want to have cozy warm seats on winter. So this system is perfect to address those issues. And if you cannot go all the way down to the degree system, because this is the top of the line, is very expensive, but it's cheap compared to the dealer features. Let's say if you have this from the dealer will ask you an arm and a leg for it. Right here with us, guys, you will save about maybe 70% of the dealer costs when it comes to this kind of system. Please inquire, we're gonna help you. But if it does beyond or more than you budget for this installation, you can do only the heated, which is the standard option when it comes to comfort. You can get your seated heats, which are very, very affordable. And remember, this is provided you guys for at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology, virtually for any car. So many combinations, many patterns. You just tell us what you want and we can build it. We can create a digital image of how it's supposed to look like, so you know what to expect from the product. So let me show you the benefits of this kit. By being leather, you can clean it really easy if that's what you're looking for, because cloth, you're gonna see in the videos before and after when we do this installation for this particular car, cloth is horrible. It gets stained so easily and it gets stinky, guys. So leather will avoid all those problems. Besides, it's gonna look luxurious. And I know, guys, you can see that it looks like crap right now. I know that. But when you see the completion of this installation, you will see how beautiful this leather kit looks once they get professional installed. Can you do it yourself? Yes, this is one of the trucks that we encourage people to do the installation if you decide to do so. If not, please reach to us so we can recommend you a local installer, or you can bring it right here to San Bernardino. We can do it for you. So let me show you guys. This is not your average sliding covers. We have airbag reinforcement, just like factory, and this complies with the regulations for safety. So you have a peace of mind right there. Everything is gonna be exactly as factory. All those features are there, and in this case, because it's gonna have cooling and heating, it has the special foam that it breathes with the material. Normally, guys, the foam will be like this. You cannot add cooling and heating features into this, so the upholstery is built in a way that allows the covers to breathe and to exchange the air easily. It flows. You're gonna have map pockets, as you can see right here. Double map pockets, that's for the front, guys, your headrest. In the back is no different. In this case, we have the metal section for the bottoms. No carpets in the back. This is just the standard installation, guys. As you can see, normal covers. And this is not your sliding cover, guys. You have to understand that. This is upholstery work. It means it has to go to the frame. Every single cover is built so it can be installed just like factory. So no easy installation right here. It's not that we don't want it to make it easy. It's that this process is intense because it's upholstery. Every single pull like this, it has to be attached to the frame in the vehicle. So that's the reason. And that's what you're gonna get, guys. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. Like and subscribe so you can see the line of products that we offer. Also, you can see tips, how to do the installations from some of the cars, how to do the headrests, and many other things that we offer here in our channel. For sure, visit LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology so you can fill up the form and get our newsletter and promotions sent directly to you to your email or text, depends on what we have running at the time. And guys, we're gonna be providing you with a before and after for this installation so you can see what you're gonna get. Like and subscribe, and please, if you have any questions, put it in the comments. Thank you. And there you have it, guys. It is completed. The 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Beautiful mahogany inserts. And we have degrees heating and cooling. 3 different selections for heating and 3 for cooling, guys. Get rid of the ugly, stinky, stained cloth seats, guys. Upgrade to leather. You guys want this transformation in your vehicle for sure. LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. Over 60 different colors and combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, piping, you name it. Special editions, custom patterns, diamonds, double hex, exotics, ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. Custom embroidery for sure. We have them. LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe. Make an inquiry. Virtually for any vehicle. Let me make a close-up right here so you can see how beautiful this double stitch is and the combinations. If you want the door panels, guys, that's an exclusive for our LeatherTeck brand. We have them too. In this case, the client decided to not to, but if you want to do that, please inquire. And look forward, guys, because we're gonna keep on transforming vehicles like this. We have the tutorials on YouTube, and you deserve this leather interior, guys. LeatherTeck by Upholstery Technology. Thank you, guys. Oh, we missed the model. Where is our rat? Holy Jesus, our model rat didn't make it today. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.